everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm really hoping this video does not get blocked. And I'm sorry about that. And I'm sorry that that was whatever it was for it to get blocked. But I'm going to be singing a song, Welcome to the Underground, for the Undertale fans out there. So, yeah.
Oh, look at steak. You're gonna need these.
With DoorDash. Sans? Wake up! What is it, dude? Humans are fine from the surface world, really. And you got a bone to pick with him? No time for fun. Come on, that was a real rib tickler. Hey, enough. All right, here we go again.
Welcome to the underground. I was the fool. If you wanna look around,
Give us a call.
we don't see humans often.
We're happy you just dropped in.
I'll be so popular when I show all the monsters what I have brought in.
Hey, pirates, mind your manners. There's no time for banter. Excuse me.
My brother did.
So there it is. Now I'm going to do it without the song playing.
Welcome to the underground. I was the fool. If you don't wanna look around, give us a call. We don't see humans often. We're happy you just dropped in. I'll be so popular when I show all the monsters
This is what I have brought in. And that's all. I just thought I'd do that. I thought it would be funny. But if you guys want
Eccentric, you're just lazy and apathetic. Call me what you want. I got this.